Hey everyone, I'm Mike Brooks in the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen with Chef Valerie from the OUT School of Community Medicine. We've been to the farmer's market and we came back with some
spring onions.
Spring onions.
Okay, so when you go to the farmer's market, you're going to want to look for the ones that still have the green stems attached. Okay. And so these are just small, sweet, pretty mild onions, and we are going to roast them. I mean, very simply roasted.
Okay.
And it may be a thing that people don't eat anymore. It's just a plain roasted onion. So we have just already cut up a couple of these onions. So when you cut them, you want them to stay together. Okay, so you're going to cut off a little bit of the stem end, and the root end is which is especially important to try to trim just the smallest amount so that it stays together.
Are you going to make yourself cry with this, or is there a way that you can avoid that?
I don't know. If you wear contacts, apparently that really helps, but I don't have a problem with that.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, very rarely, maybe because I do it a lot. I don't know. Okay, so once these are cut into quarters, and you can kind of take off the peel, the onion peel, and they just go right into the bowl. Same with the white onion. Cut off that root end, cut it into quarters. Again, you're going to peel off the, the papery skin. And these are just going to get a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt and pepper, and they're going to go into a 400-degree oven. And I say 400, I mean, everybody's oven is a little bit different, and so there's a lot of variation here. So these get tossed together with a little bit of olive oil. Again, a pinch of salt and pepper. That's probably not even quite a quarter of a teaspoon, about a quarter of a teaspoon. And these are going to go right onto the roasting pan, into the oven, and just roast them until they are very soft and caramelized. So what you're actually doing is cooking the natural sugars in the oven. It makes them very sweet and caramelized.
Caramelized. And when they come out of the oven, they look like this. That's gorgeous.
These are great with a little drizzle of vinegar, balsamic vinegar, or red wine vinegar, any kind of vinegar that you like. Great side dish, great base for even a salad. Yeah.
Okay. Now you would eat this with your fingers or a fork or however?
Well, you can eat it with your fingers.
I can eat it
since
with my
we're standing
fingers
here.
Okay, I'm going to try this one.
Those look very good.
Okay, the caramel taste, the caramelization.
You really do get that.
Wow.
Yeah, good.
That's good stuff. Another easy recipe from the Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen. Look at that. All right, we're going to have this recipe and all of Val's other recipes on our website, kjrh.com. Thank you again.
Thank you.